Hello, and welcome to week 5 of Foundations Digital Media. Here's what we've got going on this week. We are starting a new unit, Vector Art. Vectors are a different way of making digital images than what we've been working with up until now. We'll also talk about the critique for our last unit, Pixel Art. Your homework and deadlines for this week include watching all of the week 5 micro lectures, reading your week 5 assignment page, and by Thursday, September 29th, take a look at the week 4 gallery that'll show the results of the last assignment for our Pixel Art unit. There again is an extra credit opportunity where you can write some feedback about the theme interpretation from the artwork of one of your classmates. Your next deadline is Wednesday, September 28th, where you'll do the week 5 quiz. Then after that, Monday, October 3rd, you will complete the Unit 1 collage art critique as well as the Vector Art Week 5 assignment, vector layering. More on those two in the next slide. So, for this week's assignment, you'll be using vector drawing techniques in Adobe Illustrator to recreate layered versions of at least 3 existing emoji designs. So, to get started, make sure that you take some time to read through everything on the assignment page, paying special attention to my grading rubric. They are different for each assignment. And for your research this week, you'll just watch the micro lecture videos. Since working with Illustrator is a different way of making images than what we've been doing so far, I want to make sure that you have enough time and space to watch all of the micro lecture videos and really get comfortable. Next week, we'll pick back up with the design vocabulary and artist examples. Switching gears, the Unit 1 Pixel Art critique will happen via Canvas, where you'll have a discussion page where you'll be prompted to give specific written feedback for a handful of the artworks of your classmates. You'll be working together in groups of roughly 5 or 6, and that way you can all spend some time and really focus on the individual artworks that you'll be critiquing. Now, remember, our goals for critique are first and foremost helping the artist by giving them constructive feedback for improvement, helping them see how the artwork is interpreted by other people, and figuring out ways to make artwork in the future better. It's also helping you, the critiquer. Giving feedback and critique helps you reinforce the design vocabulary terms you've been learning all semester. It also helps you practice at analyzing artworks and articulating concepts and techniques that aren't necessarily easy or straightforward. No matter what side of the critique you're on, always make sure that you listen carefully. Be honest, but also respectful in the way that you're getting and receiving feedback, and be specific so when you're pointing out something that could improve in someone's artwork, don't just say, hey, this stinks, or hey, this is great. You really need to spell out what you're thinking and why. So that's it for this week. I'm really excited for this vector art unit. It's super fun, I promise. You're going to learn a whole new way of making digital images, and I'm really excited to see what you come up with.